So the rims are at the tire store. I got there about 10:30, 11. There was a line, so I had to drop them off. And then they just texted me, and I'll pick them up tomorrow in the morning. So, no tires yet. But I've got the front sorted. Fenders in there. Oh, look. There's exhaust. More exhaust. No exhaust. Why'd you take off the exhaust? Well, I'll tell you why. So, I was going to clean this. And then I said, why don't I just put on the aluminum one? So, that's what we're going to do. In a minute. Well, today. I don't know. Soon. So I was fortunate that it came with the original and a spare and then the steel. So the original, it's got a big crack right here, it goes all the way through. And then, stop. Don't drop that. And then there's another crack here and here. So I know a guy. I may be able to get this repaired. It's possible. But then this other one is got a deeper girder, right? See this one? See that one? Deeper girder, and it's beveled on the inside. There's no cracks in it that I can find. I mean, I don't have a specific way to check it other than to look at it with my eyeballs in a magnifying glass, and I did that, and I can't find anything wrong with it. So it looks to be a different generation, right? Maybe first gen, second gen, I don't know. I don't know shit about them. But it's definitely cleaner. And I tried to polish it a little bit. I'm not going for chrome look. I don't like that on swing arms. So I polished a little bit, cleaned it up. And then the hardware is a little bit different, but not too bad. So, got to take the exhaust off. No, you don't have to take the exhaust off to get this on. I have to take the exhaust off to get my jack under there to hold it up. So, jack it up, and we'll pull the steel, switch all of the things over, and then we can put this on. And I'm going to like that very much. Okay, here we are. This is 92 900 SS. We're going to change the swing arm. So you can't really see it. I'm going to take this off later. But the chain runs through here. There's a big bar in here. And it's connected here, right? So it's a closed thing. If you take the swing arm off, it's only going to go so far, and then it's going to get hung up on the chain. There's no way to finagle it out of there unless, you cut something or remove the chain. So this chain, you can see the difference. Hold on, I'll get you closer. Maybe not. So one of these links is not like the other, right? These are gold, this one's silver. These are solid, these have holes in them. So to get the chain off, you got to break that. And there's really only one way to do it. And it's this tool called the chain breaker. So you dial this thing out. And you gotta get the right size doodad. This one's like a 530. So we want to take this out. So then we find our master. You can do either side, but I like the way this one looks. So I'm going to back this up. There's a hole in here. Get the chain in the hole. Put your tool in the hole. And the chain. And then we're going to hold this, tighten this, and we're going to push that pin out. I went all the way through. So now there's a pin, and then this chain's going to come apart. And right here are your little X-ring, oil ring thingamajigs that hold the oil in. So don't lose those. And so now the whole chain will come off. All right. And we can clean it or oil it or whatever. It's a good idea to have another spare master. So this one's the same way. What you do is you put it in, and then we'll squeeze that and give it a little flare so it doesn't pop off. But this one's not damaged, so we can probably get it back in there. And it'll stay. So, see since we used that, I'm going to leave it out of the way over here. Flip it from the other side and tighten that down. Stand by. You're not going to see none of this anyway. The fuck ups don't make the video. Are we up? Okay, we're up. So we got the chain set up. We got our O-rings on, greased. And so now we have this little tool. And this is going to push on our new side. So we take this, we set it up like this. Try not to let everything fall off. It's got 2 fucking holes in it for a reason. Okay, there we go. So there's our chain. Pressed on. It's tight, but it's not kinked. So now let me clean up all of this shit. Keep that. Can you tell it's been a long time since I used this? This is the handle that screws into the bottom. So you can hold everything. I think the last time I used it was on the Honda. That's been a while. Okay, that's done. Chain's on. Now, a chain guard. So that's all for today's episode on the Ducati modifications. Thanks for watching. If you like anything you see, hit the like button. It's over here. And if you want to keep getting notifications and getting told that there's a new video, hit the subscribe button. It's over here. I appreciate it. Thanks. Y'all take care. Oh, let me check my hair. No, not too bad.